Experiencing a stuck or unresponsive driver's seat in your Tesla Model 3 can be frustrating. This video will guide you through common causes and fixes, covering motor issues, rail problems, and memory profile glitches. We'll explore solutions ranging from simple resets to when you need professional help. These solutions also apply to the Tesla Model Y. The Tesla Model 3's power-adjustable driver seat is a sophisticated system that combines mechanical and electronic components. It uses electric motors for smooth movement, slides along aluminum rails equipped with ball bearings, and can save your preferred seating positions as memory profiles. The seat movement is powered by electric motors. There are typically two main motors. One handles the fore and aft positioning, moving the seat forward and backward, while the other controls the height and recline adjustments. The seat slides along aluminum rails that are equipped with ball bearings. These ball bearings reduce friction and allow for smooth, quiet movement of the seat in all directions. The Model 3 seat system can save your preferred seating positions as memory profiles. Each driver profile can store up to 3 different seat positions, which are automatically recalled when you approach the vehicle with your key fob. The seat motors are equipped with Hall effect sensors that detect the current position of the seat. These sensors provide feedback to the vehicle's computer, ensuring precise movement. However, they can sometimes become misaligned, leading to erratic or stuck seat behavior. Understanding these components helps identify common problems. Issues can arise from motor burnout due to excessive electrical current, rail binding caused by debris accumulation or lack of lubrication, corrupted memory profiles from software glitches, or misaligned Hall effect sensors that fail to accurately detect position. Before diving deep, check the easy fixes. First, inspect the 30A fuse for the seats located in the underhood fuse box. Locate the pink 30-amp fuse in the fuse box. Next, ensure your Tesla software is up to date. Tesla often releases over-the-air OTA updates that address seat issues. Look for the Auto Seat Calibration feature in the service menu, introduced in Software v13.1, October 2025, and run it. If the seat is struggling to move, rail binding is likely the culprit, especially in older models. This close-up shows the seat adjuster mechanism with gears and levers that can bind if not properly lubricated. Try lubricating the rails with silicone spray. Move the seat forward and backward to evenly distribute the lubricant. The metal track with cutouts is where the seat slides. This is what gets lubricated. This often resolves sticking issues, particularly in extreme climates where lubricants can freeze. This may need to be repeated every 6 months. Memory profile issues can cause erratic seat behavior. To reset, go to the driver profile settings on the touchscreen. Delete and recreate your profile, or try linking your profile to the key fob. This can resolve conflicts caused by corrupted EEPROM in the seat module. Always back up your profiles before software updates. When troubleshooting Tesla Model 3 seat issues, it's important to know which repairs you can safely do yourself and which require professional help. Simple tasks like lubrication and software resets are perfect for DIY, but complex motor and wiring work needs certified technicians. For more complex issues, professional repairs are essential. Motor replacements, wiring fixes, and ECU diagnostics should only be done by Tesla-certified technicians to ensure safety and warranty coverage. Attempting professional-level repairs yourself can lead to serious problems, including damage to the seat system, voiding your warranty, and creating safety risks. Always prioritize proper diagnostics. Remember safety first. Never attempt any seat disassembly while the vehicle is in motion. For any seat issues, contact Tesla service for proper diagnostics and certified repairs to keep your vehicle safe and under warranty. To minimize future seat issues in your Tesla Model 3, start by avoiding overloading the seats. Always respect the manufacturer's weight limits, which are typically up to 300 pounds for the driver's seat. Exceeding this can strain the motors and actuators, leading to premature wear or malfunctions, especially during adjustments. Next, keep the seat rails clean of debris. Dust, crumbs, or small objects can accumulate in the rails over time, causing binding and sticking. Regularly inspect the rails and gently clean them with a soft brush or compressed air. This simple maintenance prevents friction that leads to motor strain and ensures smooth sliding motion. Regularly check for and install Tesla's over-the-air software updates. These updates often include seat calibrations, memory profile fixes, and diagnostic improvements that can resolve potential issues before they become problems. Updates like V13.1 added auto seat calibration features that reset positions without service visits. For older Model 3 vehicles built before 2024, consider having a certified Tesla technician perform periodic inspections of the rails and motors. Check every 50,000 to 100,000 miles for signs of wear, such as dry lubrication or motor sensor issues. Early detection prevents major failures and extends seat lifespan. If you own a Model 3 built after 2024, you'll benefit from redesigned seat rails with self-lubricating materials that release lubricants as they wear. These models also include redundant motor sensors for better reliability and fewer maintenance requirements. This advanced design minimizes the need for manual interventions.